So what is the Kirobo FCT technology? An FCT is a transaction that behaves as a mini function of a virtual smart contract. So to build the FCT, you don't need to write code. Instead, write a sequence of simple instructions graphically. Unlike existing no-code smart contract builders, FCTs don't need to be converted into Ethereum smart contracts. It should be filled out by the user and signed by the user. Only during runtime are the actions that were signed performed, and the actions are performed on the blockchain level. The FCT is written and signed as a simple and easy-to-read message based on EIP 712 format, so the end user has full transparency. The FCT's platform transcodes the messages on-chain in real time to a runnable Ethereum virtual machine code. FCT also extends standard transactions by enabling timeframe calls, ability to cancel signed transactions, multiple senders, built-in multi-sig, and recurring transactions. The FCT knows how to activate 4 types of calls as an atomic native transaction: actions, calculation, validation, and getter information. Now we will demonstrate how the technology works and the use of 4 types of calls. Let's say we want to create an FCT that creates a stop loss on money that is in staking and then ultimately convert one of the tokens to USDC. Today in CeFi and DeFi, there is no possibility to do so because the money we allocate to a stop loss needs to be locked up. We will demonstrate this based on the existing capabilities in the beta testing of the no-code drag-and-drop product. Start with creating a getter call to receive information from an oracle about the price of ETH. Then we will add a validating call if the price we ask for is lower than $1,000. Next, connect an action call which will collect the reward from the staking contract. The next action call will collect the LP to your wallet. Now add another action call that will return the LP to the pool, and then you get our tokens back. Now we want to convert only half of one of our tokens to USDC. This is where we will use the calculate call action, which selects half of the specific token of our choosing to be converted to USDC. The last call will be an action one and will be used by you to perform the conversion of the token to USDC. This is how we create a transaction that executes a stop loss on a staking contract. Simple and easy. With the help of these 4 calls, you can build everything from complex and fast transactions to complex protocols. Now we will explain how this whole system is decentralized. Activators. The activators are a community of transaction operators. An FCT-type transaction is signed and transmitted to a decentralized storage such as IPFS. When the conditions of the transactions that the user created as FCTs are met, the activators will activate the FCT immediately. Anyone can become an activator, and the activation system is based on a mechanism similar to a proof of stake. The user pays for the service, which also includes gas fees, and the payment is made only when the transaction takes place. FCTs will reduce your development time and cost by more than 90%, while offering better application, security, and scalability advantages. Using FCT will allow Web3 to be more accessible and more useful with greater utility. We are building the FCT technology because we believe that the rate of development of Web3 must be accelerated. We want to allow as many users as possible to build the future of Web3 products.